Sissy's hat won't stay on. Help. Alright. Uh-oh. I get it. Alright. It won't stay on. I have a big head and tiny arms.
No.
No. Green. Green. Okay.
No.
No. Okay.
Elijah, you want the red hat? You want the other red one? Elijah.
No.
Okay. Blue.
No.
Green. Okay. Okay, you want the green one back?
Elijah, say hi to Mama.
Give one to Mama.
No, say hi to Mama.
Mama needs a hat. Mama needs a bowl hat. Alright, this one's mine. Now give it to Mama. Yo, give it to Mama.
Where's your hat, Elijah?
Elijah,
Okay,
get one from the floor.
Look.
Elijah.
Go give one to Mama.
Hey, baby.
No. No.
And Sissy? Oh, okay. Sissy's hat won't stay on. I don't have the right head shape for this.
Elijah, can I have one?
Can Sissy have one? Will Sissy have the green one?
Elijah,